Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And we are reaching more than 4,000 subscribers. I was thankful to you all my subscribers. You are supporting me. And on Telegram also we are reaching more than 1,000 subscribers. I was thankful to you all. And today's trade I'm going to discuss here in this video, and also the candlesticks pattern, how it is working, so that I'm going to discuss here right now. And this today we have done the trade with IRCTC. That's a positional trade which I have taken by yesterday, and the stock is broken today, and it is moving such a great profit that was happening based on the candlesticks pattern. And if you look at this candle on 1st October, maybe the spinning top in IRCTC. So let's remove the previous drawings now. And here you see that on 1st of this month forms a spinning top, right? 1st of this month it forms a spinning top. So where it is broken the spinning top around 3820, now it is 4463, almost 600 point in a within a 3 days, 600 point movement based on this candle. But I tell you, normally if you are focusing the candlesticks with the spinning top, you should compare with previous candle, so must be it will giving you such a entry point. So if you are checking this as compared to previous candle, this would be like a piercing line, right? So when market is broken this level of 3874, and now it is moving towards somewhere around big. And also I have mentioned that profit which you have booked in that group is more than IRCTC is around more than 30,000 rupees in a profit. Let's see, this is what where we have taken that call option of 4,000 at 346, almost a 348 is the entry point where I provided. So their client who booked around 67,000, another one who booked around 31,400, he was buying around somewhere around 438, and he sold selling average is 438, and almost 31,000 rupees profit from our entry point. Another trade 30,000. So from one lot, this is not a multiple lot, so taking a 10 lots, 20 lots, it's a single lot trade, high risky high reward kind of trade which is present on our positional trade, and also the same strategy which we are teaching on our paid lessons. So many people are asking about the courses, so I'll plan and I will tell you on the group, so stay tuned and watching this thing. Another thing, we are posting that videos on that group, like messages on the group, that is also be more powerful. People who are making such a good money using the scanners and screeners. I was happy, and end of the day I got a lot of messages. I made a book profit like that, so that is giving me such a great motivation to me to do a lot of things on the basis of the candlesticks pattern scanners. I hope you may understand now how we are doing the trade. And see another one, Mariko, but we have taken a position, but we still hold, and I know how to manage this position. Initially it went up to around 590, and again it is settled by 563. It forms looks like a shooting star kind of candlesticks pattern, but previously on the 4th of this month should be a doji. Once it is broken the doji around 555, and it moves to somewhere around 40 points. So that is what the power of this candle. And again another one who shared me yesterday's doji, Adani Port, someone who booked a profit in somewhere around 13,000 rupees based on this single candlesticks pattern. This candle, this looks like a doji at the top, and once the market broke this level, and see from 740, now market coming to 724. So these are all the based on the candlesticks pattern. If you are watching that candlesticks pattern very clear way, so you will find out where there is a market is going to reverse, or where is the trend continuation, where is the trend reversal. Everything you can easily find out through the candlesticks pattern. That was always working good and well. So almost we booked more than lakh rupees in a IRCTC alone. So 30, 60, 30, more than 1.2 lakhs we booked a profit that I shared you now. So it is not my individual account, it is my group of clients account. So yeah, each and everyone who are booking a profit. Another student also who booked around 56,000, almost 2 lakhs rupees we have taken out from the IRCTC alone. Right, that is the power where the candlesticks pattern is generative, such a great opportunity to make money from the market. And you should daily track that what kind of candlesticks it forms and where is the power of those candlesticks. So once you understood that, you are going to make such a good money from the market. So that is always working candlesticks pattern only we are making on the scanners and screeners. Right, and Bollinger Band also working perfect and good. Someone who taken the position, and lot of people are asking about a Bollinger Band doubts. Now I'm going to discuss about the Bollinger Band. That I opened that Chartink Scanner. I think everything was hanging now. Oh, okay, charting. So let's open a charting. Here on my dashboard, Bollinger Band 15 minutes breakout. This is what a Bollinger Band 15 minutes breakout that the scanners and screeners which I have shared to my Telegram channel, so you can make use. At 9 o'clock today, or 9:30, 9:15. Okay, let's say Ramco Cement, Asian Paint, Coromandel and RAC. These are the stocks which forms at a 9:15. Let's compare with our scanners. Today, what of the these are the profit which we have made. I think it is not updated. Now it's updating. Okay, at 9:30 we Bollinger Band, na? Yes. So what are the stocks? REC, Coromandel, Asian Paint and Ramco Cement. REC, Coromandel, Asian Paint, Ramco Cement. These are the stocks which is captured by this Bollinger Band 15 minutes breakout. So in the scanner, what we are doing here, both either upper Bollinger Band as well as lower Bollinger Band, both we are taken for a study. So those stocks which is breaking the Bollinger Band higher side as well as those stocks which is breaking below the Bollinger Band in a lower side, both the stocks it is scanned, but we don't know which stock is upper side and lower side, correct? So we have to check with the charts. Let's I will open a Bollinger Band. So I'm someone who asking about a Bollinger Band parameters. So I am not using any special parameter. There is a built-in indicator in trading view. Okay, so there is a built-in indicator in trading view about Bollinger Band. I simply use it, and the parameter for the Bollinger Band is 20 and 2. That is the default parameter, 20 and 2. Alright, so that's nothing changes on the parameter. So I'm going to use a 15-minute stock, 15-minute chart of these stocks, and now I'm going to check what are the stocks. First one is Ramco and Asian Paint. Ramco Cements, the first one should be Ramco Cement. Let's wait, it is loading slow. Okay, let's see the Ramco Cement at 9:30. This is the candle, sorry, this is the candle where it forms a 9:30 today, right? 6th October, it forms a candle. So when the market, it is forming at the lower Bollinger Band. This candle was closed on lower Bollinger Band, right? So if the stock which forms a breakout pattern at a lower Bollinger Band, you are focusing for a sell opportunity on the stock. You must focus for a sell opportunity at this lowest point. So what is the lowest level? 1007. Next candle 1007.2. So this next candle it not broken your sell entry point. There is a no opportunity on the stock. We are focusing for a sell, but there is a no opportunity at a sell, and instead of that it is keep on moving higher and it moves towards 1026 in an intraday from 1006 to 1026. 20 points moved in next almost 1 hour. Right after that again it moves higher at here at 12 o'clock it forms a Bollinger Band, but it should be a narrow Bollinger Band. It is not should be a narrow Bollinger Band. This stock is not scanned by our scanner. And the second stock which we have taken is Asian Paint and Ramco Cement. This is what a Ramco Cement we have seen, and Asian Paint. Asian point. Let's look at the Asian point, which is forms on upper Bollinger Band. This one is forming by upper Bollinger Band. So here we are going to focus for a buy opportunity over this level. Okay, when the candle is forming at lower Bollinger Band, we are focusing for a sell. Upper Bollinger Band, we are focusing for a buy. So this stock is upper Bollinger Band. It is not giving you any such a great opportunity at this point. But if you are cleanly, if you are watching very clean, so there is a two hammer or shooting star pattern. So this is one white shooting star and red shooting star, where there was a good opportunity. When the market breaches this level, there is a big drop. Right, but as per the Bollinger Band, we don't get any trade opportunity at this stock. But as per the candlestick pattern, we have the stock, and it gives you such a great opportunity on intraday itself. And the third stock, which was Coromandel, we are doing a trading, so always focus a good volume stock, so that will be a better result you will be getting. And now you see the Coromandel, this one 915. Where is the entry opportunity? When the high is broken around 837, closed by 861. Such a great profit on Coromandel, your stop loss is not yet triggered. Based on this Bollinger Band breakout on 15 minutes time frame. We are not using any indicators to buy, sell, nothing. Simply the candlesticks which you have followed, but you should maintain the 6 stop loss to make your trade. So that was very flat after your entry, and end of the day only it is moving higher. Right, and the final stock, which is REC Limited. Let's go for a REC. What happened in REC? We are focusing for, there is a 930. It is touches the upper Bollinger Band, but it is not crossed anywhere. It is not crossed above that level. But finally it is breaking below the low, and it started moving down. It's a very big, but this is not a good opportunity. So as per this Bollinger Band 15 minutes, first 15 minutes time frame, we got a few stocks. On a Coromandel only, it gives you such a great profit. Some stocks we don't have an opportunity. Hope you got it what I'm discussing you. And if you are going to check the what is the stocks which is forms at a 945, that means 945, it means 930. Tata Steel, Aarti Industries, ICICI General Insurance. Okay, let's focus for a Tata Steel. What happened here? It may be downside, and it may be triggers down, and it gives you a lot of profit in a downside, I think. Perfect. At 930, 945, this should be 945, where we are going to take a trade opportunity. This is a previous move that, so where there is an opportunity at 940. So your entry should be 1306, stop loss for 1314, and the market ended with 1274. So almost 30 points down from this entry point. So that is why I'm sharing this details on my Telegram channel. Okay, but if you want to take more advantages, I'm giving you free of cost. I'm not charging anything for that, so you can make use of it. But you should learn from yourself also how to use Bollinger Band. Lot of things you should learn. So I'm going to filter out the stock, and real time I'm posting to you. So many people who requested to continue this service, I'm going to continue this one. I'm not going to stop it anywhere. But how you do? So this is what a simple logic. When it is forms at lower Bollinger Band, we are always focusing for a sell entry. When it is formed higher Bollinger Band, we are always focusing for a buy entry. And now previously, what are the stocks which we have gained? Aarti Industries. Day before yesterday, we did a good profit on this particular stock. Maybe it even continues, or it may be reversed. But I'm not watching about the stock, because after exiting the trade, I'm not focusing this stock for entry. This is 930, and it should be entry around 1083. There is no entry opportunities on the stock. And finally, ICICI General Insurance. What happened on ICICI? Hope this is the 930. After that, it not broken the high, and it going down, and again it broken that high, and it may be trigger your stop loss. If you check that there is no big volume, and even if you are following this, initially it not giving you the entry, and after that at this point it is triggers your entry, again it is going down, and again it is went up. So maybe the stop loss for this trade. And if you check that, there is a very flat in Bollinger Band. The method was very simple. How we can, and hourly also. So I was updating the hourly Bollinger Band. Let's say what happened in hourly Bollinger Band. You are following that at 9:45. This is 10 o'clock, and this is 10:15, and this it was 10:16, and hourly maybe we may be not getting any opportunity. And 12:16 minutes. We got only 12:15 Bollinger Band. So one is Muthoot Finance and Hero MotoCorp. This is based on hourly chart. Right. Let's go for a try with hourly Bollinger Band. 1 hour. This is what a closing hour. We are going to focus in the morning, where you see we don't find any stocks. Correct. At 12:15 we got a Muthoot Finance and Hero MotoCorp. These I captured and I was sharing with you. I hope you understand. So if you are 10:15, 11:15, if you don't get any stocks, so the system it not find out any stock that one. Like this Hero MotoCorp at 12:15. Let's see. Hero MotoCorp on hourly chart. This is not a 15 minutes time frame. It is an hourly chart. Let's focus hourly. I think it has dropped very big. At 12:15, this is the candle. Because here it is showing a opening time. If you see that this show me a 3:15. That is a opening time. Okay, so this is the exact candle where we are going to focus, and market breaks in this level, and finally the risk for the trade is 22 to 2822, 2830. 8 rupees is the risk. So when it is broken, and then it will never trigger your stop loss. It reaching nearby exact same level but not trigger your stop loss. And then from 8 rupees risk you may be getting more than 30 rupees. And if you compare the low, it near about somewhere around 40 rupees in hourly. This is what happening at lower Bollinger Band. Focus for a sell or try with the put options. I hope you got it what I'm discussing here right now. And the second stock which forms on hourly basis, Muthoot Finance. This one 11:15. Okay, so this is the entry point for a Muthoot Finance, but initially we don't get a sell entry. Initially market moves higher, and then finally we got it, and after triggering that, market is going down from 1508. It has made a low of 1492, and it is giving you such a great opportunity where you are going to make such a good profit. Everyone understand, because a lot of question asking about how I can do Bollinger Band like that. So this is the detail about as per my understanding I was explaining you. Even if you know more, so use the scanner and you can apply with your knowledge. And if anyone new, so just follow the simple steps to make such a good money, right? And daily, yesterday we didn't get any Bollinger Band breakout, and even we have Bollinger Band breakout in weekly also. I am focusing weekly. Just a second. How many of them ready to trade on a weekly basis? This is what the scanner, which is in Bollinger Band weekly time frame. So every weekend you can check it out. For example, this is what the week 4th October. It was ending with 8th October. We should wait for till 8th. But last week 27th September we got a 2 stocks, PFC, ABFRL. These are the 2 stocks which forms Bollinger Band breakout on weekly time frame. Let's say very nominal stocks, very 1 or 2 or 3 stocks like that. Okay, and let's say PFC, Power Finance Corporation, and we have to check it whether it is a Bollinger Band higher level or lower level on weekly chart. So last week Bollinger Band breakout is there, but whenever it breaks above the level of 148, we are going to focus a trade opportunity. So there is no trade opportunity. And second one was ABFRL, this one ABFRL, and this one triggers your entry point 250 and it went up to 259. Now it is trading 240, but the risk is big if you are focusing weekly. Very big risk, but that much of return you are going to gain. But you should wait for 3 to 4 weeks to gain such a result. This may be working for equity traders. On breakout kind of stocks you can focus for equity. So with your risk reward ratio you can try with that on a weekly Bollinger Band. And daily Bollinger Band, let's go for a daily Bollinger Band where it is. You'll find it daily Bollinger Band. Maybe so we will change it daily Bollinger Band into weekly. So it is weekly. Didn't find out daily Bollinger Band. So we'll create a daily. Latest. So I'm going to make now the scanner. The latest Bollinger Band forms latest. Because yesterday we didn't get any stocks. So we will save as a Bollinger Band daily. So we mentioned that. Today also we don't find any stocks, and I think some mistake. Per Bollinger Band minus lower Bollinger Band latest. I think some mistake here. Let's check it out. I think it was changed. Cleaners. Let's okay. I didn't find out that daily Bollinger Band right now. So I'll update. I think this one. Bollinger Band breakout. Because my internet is slow right now. So let's search for this. 15 minutes. Latest. Here it is always there. So we don't find it today, and we didn't get any more stocks. The last we got a stock is 1st of October. So that is TVS Motor. After that we didn't get any stocks from 1st of October on daily basis. That is why you are not getting any alert on my Telegram channel. Okay, so today also we don't get any stocks. And finally TVS Motor, which is forms a daily, and this is the day where it forms. But next day it is like a dark cloud cover, or opening higher than that, and the spinning top at a Bollinger Band top. When it is broken 553, and today also it is giving up. Everyone is based on the candlesticks pattern. So when you follow that, you might be going to get such a great result. I think I was boring now. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you wish to share your friends, you can share my YouTube link as well as this video. And if you're not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe and support us. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much.